Hi, it's a long time. I had not done any video as such, so my sincere apologies for that. And well, so today's video will be on light. Light is basically a very critical aspect when it regards to designing of any particular space. Light is categorized again into two parts, that is natural and man-made light. Now when I say natural light, try to use as much as natural light which is possible in your daytime, so that by giving a good size of windows and opening so that your room and your space looks and feels fresh. And also it will add a different volume and altogether a different style statement for your designing. Now this was with regards to natural lighting. Now what about man-made lighting? Now when I say man-made lighting, basically we divide again this light into three categories. The first is task lighting, the second is your accent lighting, and the third is your mood lighting. Now what is task lighting? Anything wherever with regards to the defined purposes, like for example, if it is your study area and you want to have a strong light for your studying corner wherein you're not disturbing the other diagram of the room, so you have to have a light which will be focusing more onto that particular task. Now when it is your kitchen area, and for example at night times when you don't require the full-fledged lights, you can just have a strip of LED which will be just below your overhead, so that only your platform gets illuminated. So again this will be a defined light. Then if I'm talking about your living room, and if you have a sitting corner, then you will require a light just while you're reading a book. So again this will be defined purpose of having a task lighting. Now second is your accent lighting. Now what is this accent lighting? It is nothing but emphasizing an object. Like for example, having a pendant light. Now this pendant light could be a pedestal light, or it could be a wall mounting, or it could be a ceiling mounted light. What is this going to do? This is going to add a different appeal, or it is going to add a different style statement. So this is basically your enhancing of your object, or it is going to enhance, it is going to give a different volume to that particular room. So that is basically accent lighting. Now this accent lighting could be from your wall. As I told you, you can have brilliant, a lot of endless options, lot of endless designs are available wherein you can symbolize different patterns and different fields onto your wall. You can have pendant light that could be on your glass, it could be wooden, it could be fiber made. So there are a lot of options available which will be giving an accent, giving an emphasis to that particular corner or that particular place where you want to incorporate this. Now the third is basically mood lighting. Now this is one of my favorite, and this actually plays a very vital role, and it changes the entire feel of your particular space, be it a living room, be it a bedroom, be it your dressing corner, or be it your balcony or any corner. So this mood lighting is basically having different colors. Like instead of having white, mood lighting could be warm white, it could be different colors. Like for example, if in your living room, for example, if you're hosting a party and you want to have that disco kind of feel, you can just have a small LED strip which will be mounted on your false ceiling, and it will be hidden, it will be completely hidden. Only when you want that mode, you just have to put the remote on and it's done. That's it. But if like you are not that party kind of, if you don't want that party kind of thing at your place, but yes, you want a sober feel, so instead of having that white LED panel lights, what I can suggest you is to have a co-lighting. This co-lighting could be just a strip in a warm white shade. Now this warm white gives a very beautiful feel in the night times, whenever you're just relaxing, whenever just you're sitting with your near and dear ones in your living room or in your bedroom, just put that light on and the entire ambience is altogether a different one. So why to go to this costlier hotels when you can just have this in your particular place? Yes, and these lights are not that expensive. It is not all that expensive, and it is lasting. this options are available in a lot of trusted and reputed brands. You can go for Philips, you can go for n number of brands. Like, I don't want to symbolize any particular brand, but yes, there are a lot of reliable options which are cheaper, or which are cheaper cost wise, which are safe on your pocket, and which are even safe for use. Now this, earlier, a few years back, we used to have a customized remote wherein you could change this mood lighting, but these days technology has been so advanced that you can just play it around with your switches. Just flicker your switch once or twice and the mood is all set. So basically, this is a small video wherein I am trying to give you the different kind of lighting which is available. So task lighting, which will be completely defined for a particular purpose. The second would be your accent lighting, which will be emphasizing your different objects. And the third would be your mood lighting, which will be giving an adding style statement or enhancing your ambience. So well guys, this was a small video on lights. I suppose you have taken a lot of notes from this, and try to incorporate in your design. Once you do that, don't forget to send your pictures to me so that the best picture wins. I will try to have that picture on my story, and the best picture will definitely be awarded. So thank you so very much. Stay tuned, like and subscribe if you have not subscribed, so that you don't miss on any of the videos which are lined up. Thank you. Bye bye.